Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf 2021-2022 range from luxury manufacturer Frankia. Got a rather nice two-person van here for you, motorhome for you. Costs €127,734, but it starts at 101,000. 26,000 euros of extras. 7 meters long. It looks a lot longer. 230 centimeters wide. Did I say 7 meters? Yes, I did. 230 centimeters wide. 311 in height. 4.5 ton basis. I don't quite know how much it is. The whole thing weighs, but I think looking at it, there's going to be well over 1 ton of a payload. 203 centimeters standing height, 4 or 5 sitting places, 2 sleeping places, and it's the scheme inside is called Marble. And there you have the standard equipment for those who can speak German, and they have the extras here. Most expensive, which are 11,500 euros, is the chassis pack, and I won't go through the whole lot now. Right, now one thing about Frankia is, although it's expensive, it is a very nice quality as a rule. And if I take the carpet up, which is here to give a bit of protection to the floor, you can see immediately what the floor looks like, and you can see also that it's a double floor. That is your boiler, but it gives you an idea perhaps of how deep the double floor is. And if it doesn't give an idea, I can say it's around 30 centimeters. Let's see if I can put this back, or not, as the case may be. So I'll put there's more storage in the double floor, such as there. I'll put my foot in so I can give you a better idea. You see, so it's come up, well, not quite my knee, but it's about 2/3 of the way to my knee. Double floor is very useful for keeping you warm. Now you see, it is made for 2 people. More storage under here as well. Kitchen's got 2 burners, a feature for 2022. Many people will be putting 2 burners in a van like this. Of course, there's more space. You could have 3 or 4. In fact, you could have about 10. I think, judging from what people write, that 2 is probably enough for most people. If you're really into gourmet cooking, then maybe you do need more burners. But if you've got more burners, you're taking away preparation space. One solution to this, of course, is to have covers, so you can actually prepare on top of the cover instead. Of course, not everybody wants to prepare on top of a cover. Very nice sink, very large, and looks quite domestic even. USB, shore power, and lots of storage under it here. Comes with 2 bins, although this one here has only got 1, but there's the second one normally it goes in there as well. And very nice looking vehicle there, very well prepared. An enormous shower, and indeed a dressing room. I think I'll show that door a little once I open the toilet door. And there's your wardrobe. Is it a good idea having a big thing here like that? And so you can say, well, the space isn't really being used. Well, if something sort of designed something would work a bit better, then write it down below. Oh, you can't see in here. Let's hope that the door is up. But the garage, you can get two see if I can lighten it up a bit. I can't. Okay, so you could easily get 2 bicycles in the garage. Here's the toilet. You may think there's not much room in there, so let's do something else. And now you've got a rear toilet. Although, there we go, it's closed, I think. There we go. The carpet's getting in the way here. The carpet wouldn't normally be here. No, I can't close because of the carpet. But anyway, it sort of gives you an idea of how much space there is in the dressing room. No, I think that's really good. And the shower, see how big the shower is. Quite smart, eh? Let's put this back. So, what do you think of this as a van? Okay, here we have the an oven, fridge, which opens both ways. That's the freezer. Yeah, I'll open this one. So for storage, it's absolutely brilliant. I mean, I think this will absolutely suit me down to the ground. It's even shorter than my own van, although it is longer. Although because of the height, it seems to have so much more space in it. And I think it's a absolutely wonderful looking vehicle. I don't think I showed this. Nor this, as I recall. Really very, very nice. You got your electrics up here, so you can, there's your Hymer heating, and you can see what the score is, how much water you got, and all the rest of it. Let's now walk outside, and if this is open, we'll get in, and if it isn't, we won't. Hydraulic. Okay, it's fantastic out of space, really. There's the light. There's a plug there, which is useful for charging your bikes up. Blown air heating. Somebody said to me, okay, you need blown air to keep the garage warm. The trouble is with the blown air heating, when you're keeping the garage warm, you're losing heat somewhere else. It's not as though there's a limit, and so I always kept it off. Now I've got electric heating in my garage. It's slightly different. Pity it's got a small entrance at this side, not the same size one. But very nice. So it's the i680SG. A rather uninspiring name. But other than that, I'd have to say it's a very nice vehicle. So I would certainly put that as being one of the ones that would suit me. It's a more unusual vehicle. It's You might find one on the second-hand market, something similar. I don't know. I can't recall ever seeing anything like that, but they might exist. I no idea. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you found that of interest, and I shall be doing a lot more videos from here at Dusseldorf. All the best from Caravan Salon.